Hi, so what we're going to do today is talk about foreign currency. And so, really, what we need to realise is that what is worth £1 in this country isn't worth the same in another country. So, I've given us, and what we could do to understand how the difference is we look at these things called exchange rates, which is in the top right of the board. So, you can see there that said that £1 is worth €1.13. So, that means if I take a pound coin, take it to an exchange place, I will get €1.13. Now that's specific to today. Exchange rates change daily depending on how much the currency is worth. So these ones up here are just for today. And obviously every country has its own exchange rate. And as you can see, so £1 is worth €1.13. Then we've got £1 is also worth $1.37 if I was in America. £1 is worth $1.77 of Australian dollars. And then some have big, huge numbers. For example, Thailand, £1 is worth 40.95 baht. So this might look complicated, but as long as you remember that all you need to do is remember how to use the exchange rate, and then if you can multiply or divide, you can do anything. So if I want to convert from British money to foreign money, as in I'm going on holiday, then I need to multiply by the exchange rate. But if I'm coming back from holiday, so I'm coming back home and I've got some spare Thai baht, I need to divide by the foreign currency exchange rate. So I'll write that up at the top and then I'll get started. So, first example tells me to convert £30 to euros. So if we look here, euros is £1 equals €1.13. So all we need to do is times 30 by €1.13. So hopefully what you can see there is that it came out as 33.9, but I've added a zero. Now the important thing to realise is with money, we either have two decimal places, or it's to the full pound, or euro in this case. So for this case, we're almost, unless it comes out as exactly a whole number, always round it to two decimal places. So, example 2, convert 2,000 Australian dollars to pounds. So we look at the exchange rate, it's 1.77, and so we're going to divide 2,000 by 1.77. So, first of all, did that, and I got 1129.943 in a big long decimal. That one has two decimal places, so I only looked at the third decimal point, it's a 3, so I round down, so I get £1,129.94. So looking at example 3, I'm converting £90.77 to US dollars. So US dollars is 137, so I'll multiply. So there we go. I got $124.354 long recurring decimal. So that rounds to $124.35. Okay. So we need to convert 2,500 baht to pounds. So baht is 40.95. So I'm going to divide. So hopefully you can see there that I got 61.050, which then rounds to £61 and 5 pence. And so that's what 2,500 baht is. Now, last question. I need to convert 300 Australian dollars to baht. So we're converting from one foreign currency to another foreign currency. I've not shown how to do that, but I have shown how to convert from a foreign currency to British, and then a British currency to foreign. So it's just 2 steps. So I'm going to convert the 300 Australian dollars to British, and then I'll convert it to Thai baht, and I will come out with what 300 Australian dollars is roughly in baht. So they're set up. First thing we need to do is 300 divided by 1.77, and then I need to multiply that by 40.95. I can put that all into my calculator with brackets and do it all at once, and it'll be really accurate. So in this question, we ended up with 6,940.68 baht. Now, having been to Thailand, I know that they don't really have any currency that is less than a pound, or less than the whole unit. So what actually that would be, in particular in that country, they would actually have not every country splits up their units into things like decimal, like cents and pound and pennies. So for that question, they would just round it probably down to 6940, or perhaps they would round it up to 6941. Depending on how nice the foreign exchange place is planning on being, because they're going to try and make money from you. Okay, so main things to remember is that to convert from British into foreign, you multiply, and to convert from foreign into British, you divide by the exchange rates. Okay.